Today we are going to talk about our journey to put this beauty back on the road. As in any restoration project, there were many parts missing. Few of them were ordered from Italy and UK, and others were fabricated here in India. But the major concern was the engine, as it was not turning due to water damage. We spent about 3 days just to save the piston and the cylinder as they were stuck together. After salvaging for the parts, we started the meticulous process of putting her back together. Well, the first test run, the scooter starts in half a kick, revs beautifully, but doesn't pull away as it is supposed to. I would not call the first test run as a disaster, but a learning. Do you remember me saying we spent 3 days trying to save the piston and the cylinder? The truth is, we were never able to save anything. The second test ride happened only after changing the cylinder, the piston, the connecting rod, and the crank. It took us about a year to get this beauty on the road, mainly because the parts are not readily available in India. In that 1 year of restoration, we opened up the engine thrice, changed and tried numerous things. Some worked, some did not. But in the end, you have a stunning scooter which runs well.